Good day, everybody. We brought you to Ho Kaeo Mukdahan. It's a tall building. You can go all the way up to the top up there, see views all the way around into Laos, Mekong River, see the Buddha, big Buddha. Lots of sights to see from here. Great place, so come check it out. They're open from 8:30 in the morning until 6 p.m. On the internet, it says they're only open till 4, so
5 p.m.
I don't know what that is, but these are tortoise shells.
The fish bone. Lawang.
That's a big fish.
Lawang dolphin.
Oh, a dolphin?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's a crocodile with its...
Oh, this skin.
Is that a crocodile skin too?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, various kinds of petrified wood here. And pottery. Unfortunately, it's all in Thai, so I can't tell you the eras or anything about it. Okay, this says used for keeping bones in ancient times, so these are very old. Earthenware used for the food, and it is a pottery without coating. Container for holding water, and food used for food fermentation. Okay, you have to take your shoes off to come in here. Okay, old rifles used for hunting and protecting. Part of a spear used for fighting and hunting. Too bad it doesn't say the years. But clearly very old. Loom for weaving cloth. And so here's some old spears. This is a grinder for, it doesn't say in English, but I think I've seen something like this for rice hull, for grinding it up. Appliances to life, the equipment that is necessary for survival, such as food or occupation or it says, oh, beliefs, okay. And this side, tool on daily basis manufactured by inserting the polish and weave. Now this we know is a silk weaving machine. We've seen that in other places we've been. Square steel case used to store several various valuables. Has a security lock. Same. And here's an antique scale. Over here we have different brass pottery. This is a replica of where we are right now. We're on the bottom floor, and you can video on the first, second, and sixth and seventh floors. Okay. We're on the second floor now. Hopefully we got the kids all out of the way. You see the weapons. Some of the authentic clothing that they wore.
Different type of the people in Mukdahan. You say the first one is Thai Yaw, Thai Sek, Thai Kha, Thai Kula, Thai Ka, So Lo, How you Thai. They have like the dress is different.
Kind of cool here. Got a weapon and head dressing.
Chopping.
Okay, this little apparatus here is chopping. And it is if you have no clothes on for the young girls, they wear just that.
Like the baby.
When it's too hot. This is the Walt instrument that we shared already when we went to the tower.
This boat, this can.
So this is the headdress and neck wear and sword that the ruling prince had, which is in this case here, the actual stuff. It's kind of cool to see.
Yeah, this too.
It doesn't say what year though.
Yeah.
Okay, this is dinosaur poop, the big pile there, 20 million years old. And this is a dinosaur bone, 150 million years old. And a distance way out there, you can see the, I think it was bridge number 2, the Friendship Bridge, that links Thailand on this side to Laos on that side. We're on the 6th floor of the, it's basically a space needle like you would see in Seattle. Okay, confirmed looking at the map here, the Mekong River, that is the second Mekong International Bridge, as you see right here. And that's the one I showed you with the white expansions way out there in the distance. Okay, Pu Manarom is a big Buddha,
You can see.
and you can actually see it from here, looking out the window. Not real easy to get it in focus here, but it's kind of out of focus, but that's it. We're going to go visit that as well at some point. Okay, everybody, we brought you to Ho Kaeo today. It's a huge needle. We hope you enjoyed the content. If so, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
Out.